What's going on, guys? Brandon here, back with another video, and today we're gonna be doing the Ridge wallet unboxing. I was at the beach like the other weekend watching TV, and I seen the Ridge wallet come across the screen. I've looked at this thing before and seen it, but that ad right there, that's when they sold me. It holds up to 12 cards, RFID blocking, and says they got a lifetime warranty on it. So I'm thinking it's a little pricey at $75 for a wallet, but for lifetime warranty, you only gotta buy it one last time. Might be worth it. Let's go. This is the way the box looks right here. Already opened the seal, so you don't have any trouble on video taking it out. Open it up. Got the wallet right here, and then you got the looks like a little tool. It looks like this tool right here you can use. Probably take these pins out and change the front of it. You can also take off the money clip on the back right here. You can switch it out with the strap if you got the strap. I went with the money clip myself. I feel like it'd probably hold cash a little bit better. Already hold the cards inside of the wallet, and be doing alright with that. But like I said, this thing says it holds up to 12 cards. So I got 12 cards right here. I'm gonna see if they fit. Alright. Got one, no problem. You got two in there. Seems like this thing, no matter how many, I already have two in there, feeling a little tight. So I assume that it probably just pressures itself back together. And that's why it's so tight. Not that the 12 won't fit. So you got three right there. Try to put a couple up in there. Yeah, I don't know, doing a couple of times is gonna work. I don't know if 12 are gonna fit. Oh yeah, hold on. So it has these adjustable straps on both sides. That's how it's holding it in so well. I was wondering how it's staying so tight. There we go. Got all 12 in there. Seems like it fits pretty fine. Let's see how well the money clip works. Oh, it's a little bit of cash, perfectly fine. Try putting a larger amount of cash in there. I don't know how much it holds, I don't want to just be able to hold a little bit. Not actually. Oh yeah, there we go. Decent amount of cash in there. Probably like 8 bills, 9 bills in there, no problem. So what I like about this wallet, the Ridge wallet, is that it's so simple. Like, how small this is. You're able to carry around all your cash in there instead of this big old bulky wallet with all these straps and flaps and all that good stuff. So I like how simple this wallet is. I like the lifetime warranty. Like I said, never got to buy it again. $75, a little pricey for a wallet now, but you never got to buy it again. And you like the Ridge wallet, then you're good to go. Able to change out the fronts too, which is cool. So if you get bored with the black color, you can always order different color. They said, like I said, $75, but if you like it that much, maybe you're going to spend it. But it doesn't seem too hard to get the cards out, no problem with that little thing right there. Overall, seems like a pretty nifty wallet. A lot better than those big old bulky things. But yeah, that's my Ridge wallet unboxing. If you like the video, leave a thumbs up on the video. Subscribe if you're new. And Brandon